Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bajaj Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Finance with an unchanged price target of Rs 9,500. AUM growth is expected to be robust of 25 to 26% in the cycle of FY25 to FY29. Besides, operating cost would reduce and credit cost would normalize in the medium term. ROE would expand to 20 to 22% in the cycle from 19.4% in first half of FY25, indicates stability in return ratios. As per the long-range strategies, the company is expected to build strong base of customer to 200 million by FY29, which will help for cross-sales. Besides, the company aims to build leadership position in personal loans, gold loans, MFI and two-wheelers. We are confident on strong, sustainable earning growth and longevity of the franchise. Hence, underperformance of the company could reverse as outlook gradually improves. We retain our buy rating with an unchanged price target of Rs 9,500. At current market price, the stock trades at 4.5 times FY25 and 3.8 times FY26, also 3.2 times FY27 book value. Next, we have an update on Triveni Engineering and Industries. Our analyst maintains buy on Triveni Engineering with a revised price target of Rs 582. Strategic restructuring includes amalgamation of SSEL in Triveni and demerger of gear and defense business into separate entity will enhance shareholders' value in the long run. SSEL's amalgamation would optimize resource and rationalize costs to improve profitability, while PTB demerge would help scale up its core business, including gas and defense, in the coming years. Stock trades at 27 times FY25, 22 times FY26, and 19 times FY27 earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.